If you want to change the position of the back button on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then unfortunately by default, it is not possible to do so. If you want to change the button order, and if you wish to have, for example, the back button on the right side, then you need to use a third-party app that allows you to use a custom navigation style or a navigation app. So in this case, we need to open the Play Store and then we can search for navigation bar. There we go. And of course, you should be able to find a bunch of different options, bunch of different apps that we can try to use. In my case, I'm going to use this one in this example. Feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. Once we install it, we're just going to open it, press agree over here. There we go. Now go to settings, select navigation bar, and we need to enable navigation bar over here and press allow. Now let's open display settings, find the navigation bar again. We need to allow display over other apps, and as you can see, we have the custom navigation bar already. Let's press consent over here. And now what we can do is we can customize the bar a little bit. For example, we can change the background color. So let's say I'm gonna set it transparent. We're gonna set the transparency over here. And as you can see, we still have the alt buttons here as well. So you will have to switch from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation in order to hide these buttons. And let's actually adjust the position so that we can actually make it pretty much in an identical spot. And over here we have swap back and recent buttons. So now we will switch it back. And if I tap over here, as you can see, it actually works. So right now it seems a little bit confusing, but we're gonna go to settings. There we go. And let's open display and touch. Over here we can go to navigation mode and we can switch to gesture navigation, and now we just have these options over here. Of course, you still have the navigation handlebar over here, which might be a little bit inconvenient, but as a plus, at least you can use both the gesture navigation and these buttons at the bottom of the screen. And unfortunately, this seems to be the only way that allows us to change the position of back buttons, that is by using a third-party app. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.